This is the Maiden of the bush mule that finally arrived yesterday after ordering it about 5 days ago for a fantastic price. Australian, $300, just over $300 including shipping. So what a great bargain. It was just on special for 1 day and I thought I'd take the bite and get this one. And here is the Maiden day. It took me over last night to finish it, and this morning just to touch it up, and everything seems to be going okay. So we'll fly it over this wet area because I like using large wide spaces instead of the beach. I've got plenty of room to give it a bit of a try. So let's go. Well, the battery I'll use is a 3300 milliamp Z battery, and this should give me some nice flying, probably for about 5 or 6 minutes. Make sure that steering area is out of the way. Love the flaps, really great. Let's just check the centre of gravity. That marked here and here seems to be just absolutely right, and that's where the wind is coming straight out that direction from the south, southeasterly. Big wheels should handle this damp ground. Oh yeah, she's going well, going very well. Very first flight of the bush for me. I know it's been out for a while. This is version 2 and the finish is absolutely beautiful. I noticed people had knocks and bruises on the thing, but this one came just beautifully done. I'm only running a 6-channel 630 on it, so I don't have the capability of reverse thrust and I don't have the drop door underneath, but still I don't need that. That's quite good. She will land just beautifully with those flaps. It's so similar to the Twin Otter, made by the same company, Avios. Let's bring it down low.
Landing mode.
Yes. Very nice. I'll have no problems at the beach with this one. And the train's going by. Probably the passengers will get a good look.
Landing mode.
Can't believe how really well this is flying. The very first flight, look at that. I'll bring it by with the flaps down, take it up and just see how she goes with the flaps. Yep, it's climbing a bit, it's okay. Let's check the expo on that. Here she comes in with full flaps. Flaps off. She does a climb with that flaps. Now we'll bring her through with the half flaps.
Takeoff flaps. Landing mode.
Beautiful. No problems with those. Okay, now for landing. Oh yes, a little bit of a bounce, never mind. We'll take it up once more and see if I can bring it in with less bounce. I know this has been a problem. I've seen quite a few flights with people showing bounce on it, Fat Guy Flies and others. Okay, half flaps.
Landing mode.
Just got to do something about that nose wheel.
Cruise mode. Landing mode.
Yes, that nose wheel's just out. But never mind, we'll fix that all up. That's good.
Landing mode.
Well, there we have it. I hope you enjoyed watching this going through its paces just on the first flights. Just one thing I've found is it's still very loose on the nose wheel, that I have to retighten and put some Loctite on it. I think it just seems to come loose, but it certainly flies beautifully well, and I'm so pleased, and what a bargain this was to get this aircraft. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll look forward to seeing you with another new video and a new plane very soon. Bye now.